सल्लू अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद।
Dawat Islami's publisher, Maktabatul Madina's published book, Badshuguni, consisting of 126 pages, states on page 12, with the reference of At-Tariqatul Muhammadiyya, considering an ill omen about something is haram, and taking a good omen for something is mustahab, that is, a desirable act. Hazrat Sayyiduna Imam Muhammad Afandi Rumi Birkali alayhi rahmatullahi al-wali said, considering an ill omen about something is haram, and taking a good omen for something is mustahab, a desirable act. Mufassir Shahir Hakimul Ummah Hazrat Mufti Ahmad Yar Khan Naimi alayhi rahmatul Hannan states, taking a good omen for something is a permissible act in Islam, and considering an ill omen for something is haram, that is forbidden.
صلوا على الحبيب صلى الله تعالى على محمد
صلوا على الحبيب صلى الله تعالى على محمد। मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह।